A very good morning to all of you. As I told you, in this class, we'll not be starting a new chapter. Rather, we'll go for revision test. As we all know, the school has organized unit test for all of you. That will be maintaining an online procedure this time, which will be a new experience for you and for me as well, for all the teachers as well. So the question pattern may be changed a bit. How would that be? To In order to let you know about that pattern, I have designed this revision test paper for all of you. I think you will not be having any difficulty in solving that. Before you go for this revision test, I can suggest you one thing. You need to learn everything in detail. You are just escaping your textbook, you are just reading the question answers provided by school or anyone else, then it won't be helping, because question will come from inside and it will be 1 mark questions. So you need to read everything. It can be multiple choice question, it can be fill in the blanks, it can be true false, who said to whom, anything it can be. So for answering those, you need to read everything minutely, all the text. What is the syllabus? Let me repeat for all of you once again. English 2, the old man at the bridge, the heart of the tree, and drama, act 1 scene 1, act 1 scene 2, and act 1 scene 3, the Merchant of Venice, right? So you need to read everything. The setting of the play, the characters present in the play, who's the speaker of the line mentioned, like that. And for prose and poetry, again you may be asked for word meanings. You may be asked for the speaker, the other characters present there, like that. So in order to answer that, there is no other way, just but reading the textbook minutely, right? So hopefully this question paper will be helpful to all of you, so that you can have a just a quick idea how that question paper may come. I have designed this paper in this way. It doesn't mean it will be the same. It may be different. I am just going to give you an outline, nothing else. So as you can see in the screen, this is a question paper. Full mark is 16, and you will have this paper available there in the study material section, and the answers also I have written, which will be available in the worksheet section. But I would suggest you not to go for the answers beforehand. Try to answer on your own. After that, after answering all the questions, you will be checking on your own, having the answer key in front of you. Okay. So I think you won't be having any difficulty, because I know all of you are very good students and you have utilized this time wisely, right? So looking forward to see you in the examination, scoring well, and all the best for your exam, and best of luck. So we'll meet in the next class with something new. Till then, keep studying and have a great day ahead. Thank you.